Click on the link below to get price. The Kinekt Bike Suspension Seatpost XR is an impressive piece of engineering designed specifically for road cycling enthusiasts seeking enhanced comfort on long rides. Weighing in at just under 600 grams, this lightweight aluminum alloy seatpost stands out for its ability to absorb shocks and bumps without compromising performance. One of the most notable features of the Kinekt suspension seatpost is its innovative mechanism that employs a dual-spring design. This setup allows for a smooth and responsive ride, effectively dampening vibrations from uneven road surfaces. Whether you're navigating potholed city streets or tackling gravel paths, the Kinekt seatpost noticeably reduces fatigue in your lower back and legs, allowing for longer rides with greater enjoyment. Installation of the Kinekt seatpost is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly clamp system, which is compatible with most standard bike frames. The post offers adjustable travel, allowing you to customize the suspension to suit your riding style and weight. Riders can choose between 3 travel options, 30mm, 40mm, and 50mm, ensuring that you find the perfect setting for your needs. The build quality is exceptional, showcasing a sleek, modern design that seamlessly integrates with the aesthetics of high-end road bikes. The finish is durable and resistant to wear, maintaining its appearance even after extensive use. Additionally, the seatpost's lightweight construction does not detract from the bike's overall performance, ensuring that speed and efficiency remain uncompromised. A potential downside is the price, which might be on the steeper side for casual cyclists. However, for those who prioritize comfort and are willing to invest in their riding experience, the Kinekt Bike Suspension Seatpost XR proves to be a worthy addition to any road bike. In conclusion, this seatpost delivers a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and durability, making it a top choice for serious cyclists looking to enhance their ride quality on varied terrains.